Then I'm still proving to you that there is ability in disability. Losing my sight as an engineer does not mean I've lost my mind. I'm still doing my engineering work. This is an automatic changeover we're building from scratch. And you're going to see that it's going to work. We're going to commission it. Now, and using my engineer here is our teamwork. So I'm not completely out of eyesight. I borrow his eyes and we do the job. So you're welcome. So Peter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now the supply now is connected to the 16 amp breaker, right? Then can you just but you make sure all the neutrals are tightened and correct, they are in position now.
Yes, sir.
Then the timer, you're setting the timer because we're going to try it. We're going to try it on the bench before we take it to mount it on the panel, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, and you make sure, what you're going to do again is make sure you tight all the terminals so there's no partial contact.
Yes, sir.
When you build a panel like this, partial contact is something of concern.
Yes, sir.
So before we test it, I want you to go around and then re-tight all the terminals so that we have the cable in place. So I think it's good before we test it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now this panel has been tested. We have done the bench tests and we are okay with it. And we are going to mount it here. This is the main panel. Now you see how it is currently. You can see that is a horrible thing to look at and it's dangerous. So we are now going to install this automatic changeover into this panel. Our new installation. We're going to start disconnecting all those things and then Peter,
Sir.
you can put off the power.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I've off it.
Yeah, so now it's isolated, so we can now start our connection. So Peter, come and start disconnecting it. Peter, make sure you tape all the cables you are going to remove. Mark them.
Okay, sir.
So Peter,
Yes, sir.
we need to make sure we identify this first. You see this is which one is the security timer?
So the origin timer.
This is the security timer.
Yeah, this is the security timer.
Okay, first, can you see the contact side? 18 or what? You need to mark those ones. Have you seen it?
Let me check.
There's a contact
I
place.
have U1 and U2.
Yeah, that is the life and neutral.
Then we have 1, 4, and 2.
Okay, 1, 4, and 2. So 1 is common to, you see where it's looped anyway? 1 is common to 2. Which contact is used? 1 and...
From U1,
No, the U1 now is the source. That is where we're going to get the life
yes,
and neutral.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Yeah.
No, so take that place, disconnect it and mark it. Mark it 1 and 2 and disconnect it. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have removed all the old rubbish things, and now we are going to continue the mounting of the new panel now. Peter,
Yes, sir.
bring the panel now and then let's fix it. So now we are done with the installation. It's time to commission. So we're going to do final testing, and now you can see the panel. It has an earth leakage breaker, and it's a timer. This is semi-automatic, and the reason we made it semi-automatic is not full because the size of the generator cannot carry the whole load, and so if it comes up automatically, it's not healthy. So for that, it's semi-auto for now. If a bigger generator is installed, then we can now make it full automatic. It starts when the mains goes off, and then the generator starts, and then when the main comes, it changes over to the main and stop the generator from running. Before it picks the load, normally on the generator, it lets the generator start for about 4 seconds, and then so that the generator can be steady before it picks the load, so that it's not having too much load on start. So this is the panel, and then also there is a 24-hour timer here that controls the security lighting. Comes up when it's dark, 6 o'clock or 7, whatever we set it at, and then in the morning it goes off. So the security and the gate light is controlled from here automatically. And then also the small gate opening, there's a button you press in there, which also takes its source from here to open the small gate. So now we're going to continue with our test. Peter, go and start the gel.
Okay, sir.
Now when the gel starts, you're going to see the generator timer will come, which is going to delay the generator from picking the load. And after the load is on before start fully. The generator has started, it has not picked the load. So after 4 seconds, good. Now we are on generator. So generator is now running, and you can see we have now power in the house. And in fact, if this panel is for an industrial use, or if there's any equipment that is in the house that is sensitive to phase sequence, we can also install phase sequence. That is, anywhere, anytime there's a phase failure, it puts off the load. And also, there is also the voltage monitor. When anywhere there's too much fluctuation of voltage, we install voltage monitor. When the voltage is beyond too low, it puts off the load. Or if the voltage is too high, it puts off the load. So this works very well, and I can show you. I've been doing it for years, so I know what I'm talking about. Peter.
Yes, sir.
So now go and put on the mains.
Okay.
Now we are waiting for the mains. When the mains also comes, it also has a delay timer. It's going to delay. Yeah, now I heard the sound of the timer. The mains has come. So it's going to delay, and this is because if there is kind of fluctuation from the mains, the timer will be reset and the generator will continue. There will be no interference. So in this case, the timer is timing, when it's timed out, for the mains, and we set it for 5 minutes, and after which a set has no fluctuation from the mains, then it picks the load and then drops the load on the generator and also put off the generator. You're going to see that happen in a short while the timer is going on. We are waiting. The mains is on right now. We have the power from the mains, but the system is kind of monitoring the condition power. Is it steady? Is it going to go off? Let's watch and see for 5 minutes before we are sure. Then we can now take the load from the generator and then put off the generator. That's what is going to happen very soon. Yes. Excellent. Now, this is the mains. It has come after 5 minutes monitoring it, that it's not on and off and it's steady. It has taken off the load from the gen, and you can hear the sound of the generator no more. Now, from this panel now, it now supplies it to the DB. And this is the DB, then now it's distributed to the resident. Thank you very much. Still proving that there's ability in all disability. And when you need any engineering work, don't hesitate. Call us, Agada Tech Solutions. Thank you for watching. God bless you.